Hi guys, it's Daniel here from Conqueror 4x4. Unfortunately, it's pack up time, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to pack up the front bed. Already the roof is down. It's a good video to actually see that you can still stand up in here quite comfortably. And with the pack down of the front bed, you actually start inside. What I'm going to do to run you through it, I'm going to take the cushions off, I'm going to lower down the poles, then I'm going to come outside and fold it up. So we start by just undoing the Velcro on the cushions. These cushions simply come and lay straight across the main bed, like so. For those that are interested as well, this is your hatch that you access to your fridge. So if it's raining outside and you're looking for a drink, that's actually your fridge access hatch. Then I'm going to grab the next cushion and I'm going to pull that forward. And I'm just going to also put that straight in the master bed section. Now I'm going to get in and I'm going to undo these poles. Okay, with the poles, you got supporting poles and you got the main poles. So I'm just going to take off the supporting poles like so. 1 and 2. They're your only poles that aren't fixed permanently. Then we just undo the sides and we're going to let this drop down. Okay, we might start at the back, drop it down, lock it in. Now we start at the middle, drop it down. There we go. Now I'm going to reappear. Grab my supporting poles, put them right there, bring that forward a little bit. Now we go outside. Ready? Okay, well, it's time to start the ritual that I use when I close up the front bed, because it means going home. And I'll show you a couple of other great features along the way. I'm going to put the kettle on so we can have a cup of coffee before we hit the road. The great thing about the Conqueror, and I'll take this quick chance to show you, is that the pantry opens up easily, independent of pack up. The kitchen comes out easily, independent of pack up. And I know you can't see where we're standing at the moment, but it's been quite a muddy stay. And the other feature that I love about the Conqueror is that the steps that fold down actually don't touch the ground. So you can sit on them, you can take your shoes off, you can fold them up and you won't get mud inside your camper trailer. I also use, because of the mud, I've got a little bit of a cheat here, and I use one of the, I've got this great Iron Man chair that I sit in, and when it's muddy, because I hate mud, I put that down and try and use that as a bit of a mat. Anyway, now we're on a timer because we're going to have a whistle blowing kettle shortly. Now you can see here, this is a wet pack up. It's as wet as it can possibly be. All I can do now, there's nothing I can do to dry this off other than give it a quick shake and know that when I get home, I'm going to have to open it up, which I'll do tomorrow. So you can see here, it's all sealed nicely. I'm just going to fold the canvas up a little bit. And our front bar, our front Y bar, is attached to the drawbar. So I'm just going to undo the pin so it's now not attached, and I'm just simply going to lift it up and fold it in. So I'm going to lift it up and fold it in. Little tip, be careful with your fingers, always hold the Y bar, but you just want to ensure, I'm going to put that forward and come around to the other side. You want to make sure the canvas at the bottom and on the sides is tucked in. So pull that out. Canvas on the side, canvas on the bottom, and a little bit more canvas on this side here that I missed. I'll put my locking pin in, so I lock the Y bar, that's all done. And I cheat a little bit here again. You've probably noticed if you've seen many of my videos, I'm not very tall. So what I'll do now, I'll stand up on the boxes and simply close it up. There's my pin and it just closes straight in. All we simply do is repeat that on the other side and we're done. Kettle's boiling, so I'm going to go and hit my cup of coffee and hit the road.